What's up, roomies? It's your boy, and we are here at Game in Canal Walk, Cape Town. Now, roomies, we are here with top rated by kids, and we are here to test out and play with some amazing games and all the toys that Game has in store for us. So, roomies, join me inside and let's have an amazing time. Let's go.
Roomies. You know how it is. We are having a blast right here at Game, and I could have not called the famous twins, Ria and Zia. Guys, how are we doing today? What are the vibes?
Oh,
Good!
I love this place. I want to come again.
What was your favorite toy?
The cars.
The cars! Ooh!
I like everything.
Everything!